Welcome to our exploration of YouTube affiliate marketing, a world of opportunity. YouTube offers incredible opportunities for creators to earn money, and one popular way to do this is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services in your videos and earning a commission on sales made through your unique affiliate link. Today, we'll explore innovative affiliate marketing strategies on YouTube. Many creators wonder how to effectively promote products without seeming pushy or compromising their content. The key lies in authenticity and creativity. By focusing on genuine value for your viewers and exploring unique promotional approaches, you can transform your YouTube channel into a thriving hub for both engaging content and lucrative affiliate partnerships. Remember, successful affiliate marketing is about more than just making a quick buck. It's about building trust with your audience and recommending products that genuinely add value to their lives. Moving on to Section 2, integrating products seamlessly. The art of subtle promotion. One of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products is by seamlessly integrating them into your video content. Instead of interrupting your video with a sales pitch, find natural ways to showcase the product's benefits while staying true to your video's theme. For example, if you're a fitness YouTuber creating a workout routine video, you could wear apparel from your affiliate brand and mention how much you love their comfortable fit and moisture-wicking fabric. You can also provide close-up shots of the product in action, highlighting its key features and how it enhances your workout experience. The key is to be subtle and avoid sounding overly promotional. Your viewers are smart and can spot a sales pitch from a mile away. Instead, focus on providing value and highlighting how the product can benefit them directly. Lastly, let's dive into Section 3, storytelling and reviews, engaging your audience through narrative. Storytelling is a powerful tool in marketing, and affiliate marketing is no exception. Weaving affiliate products into your personal stories or creating engaging reviews can capture your viewers' attention and make them more receptive to your recommendations. For instance, if you're promoting a language learning app, share your personal experience using the app and how it helped you achieve your language goals. You can share anecdotes about funny situations, challenges you overcame, and the progress you made, making the product relatable and desirable. When doing reviews, focus on honesty and transparency. Highlight both the pros and cons of the product and provide an unbiased assessment based on your experience. Section 4, leveraging YouTube's features. Going beyond basic links. Don't limit yourself to simply placing affiliate links in your video description. YouTube offers a variety of features that you can creatively leverage to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. Use end screens and cards to add visual calls to action at the end of your videos. These interactive elements can direct viewers to your affiliate product pages, increasing visibility and click-through rates. Live streams are another excellent opportunity for affiliate marketing. Engage with your audience in real time, answer questions about the products you're promoting, and offer exclusive discounts or promotions to incentivize purchases. Section 5, transparency and trust, the cornerstones of successful affiliate marketing. Transparency is paramount in affiliate marketing. Your viewers need to know that you may earn a commission from their purchases. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships in your videos and video descriptions to maintain trust and credibility. Provide honest opinions and reviews, even if it means mentioning some drawbacks of a product. Your viewers will appreciate your honesty and be more likely to trust your recommendations in the future. Building a loyal audience takes time and effort. Don't jeopardize your viewers' trust for short-term gains. Prioritize their interests and recommend products that you genuinely believe in. Section 6, conclusion. Finding your balance for long-term success. Affiliate marketing on YouTube can be a lucrative endeavor when approached strategically and ethically. By integrating products naturally, leveraging storytelling, utilizing YouTube's features, and prioritizing transparency, you can create engaging content that resonates with your audience while effectively promoting affiliate products. Remember, the key is to find the right balance between promoting products and maintaining your content's integrity. Your viewers are your biggest asset, and their trust is invaluable. By providing value, being authentic, and building genuine connections, you can cultivate a successful YouTube channel that benefits both you and your audience for years to come.